Hello guys, welcome back to Apprentices Cloud. Today we will solve another tutorial named called a Robin. Robin, a AI-powered dark web OSINT tool. So Robin is like AI-powered tool for conducting like dark web OSINT investigation. It leverages like LLM to refine like a queries and filter like a search results from dark web and search engines and provide like a investigation summaries also. So what are the main features we are going to get here? So the main features we are going to get like a modular architecture, like it's like you can get like a clean user interfaces and such scrap and LLM workflows, and multimodal supports like easily switch between OpenAI, CloudAI, Gemini, Olama, or any OpenAI compatible APIs. And you can also do it this one in the web user interfaces. That's quite interesting. So Streamlit like a web-based interfaces and interactive investigations also. And it's also you can install with the Docker base also. It's quite interesting. And you can also get like a custom reporting either like HTML, either by etc things. And extensible like easy to plug in and new search engines models are output format also. That's it. So let's we would like to try to go for as installation. Just try to open the terminal. Now try to open the browser. So this is like a Robin. We would like to look like here as a Robin, like how it's going to be work out here. So this is how graphical user interface is here. Everything is built in Python. AI-powered dark web OSINT tool. We would like to try to clone the repository. Just try to copy. Come back. You just type it as git clone and paste this repository. That's it. Once we have paste this repository, let it clone first. So installation is complete. Now just go to here the directory Robin. Now we just type it as list minus a. So we have a requirements.txt. Now just try to copy. Now we just type it as pip3 install minus r requirements.txt. So before this it's not going to be work out. And now we would like to enable as a virtual environment python 3 minus m vnv as vnv. Okay, that's it. Now just type it as source vnv and bin activate. Now just type it as pip3 install minus r requirements.txt. So this will going to be install all the requirements here. Then after requirements is done, what you just need to be do here as a simple thing. Let's we would like to wait for it. So in this case, you can provide your own LLM. So you don't need to get like a cloud providers and that will charge you for your API credit limits. So that does not require. You can provide your own LLMs like Olamas, otherwise open routers, API keys or etc things. So you want to prefer like a best API key. So always you can use a open router API key. So don't spend your valuable money in that case. So this is done. Now we would like to try to clear here. Now just type here as list minus a. That's quite interesting. Now just type here as cat.env.example. In this case, we have here a open router API key, so we can get it as open router and Olamar based URL. So Olamar based URL, you just type here as curl API tags. Okay, quite interesting here. As even you just put like here as Olamar is running. Okay, we would like to replace as a Olamar base as this one as okay. Just try to copy nano uh, env dot example. Oh, sorry. Now that's it here. So even you can get like here. Let me. I would like to tell you here. Uh, you can get like a free API keys like from OpenRouter and as well as OpenRouter base URL. So that does not matter. OpenRouter API key is only mandatory and Google API. You can get it very freely here. That's it. Now we just type here as clear. Now just type here as Python 3 UI.python. That's it. This warning is mode. Uh, uh, to view like a Streamline app on the browser, run it with the Streamlit app on browser and run it with the following. So we just need to be run with the Streamlit. Okay, so okay, we just type here as clear. We just utilize as a Streamlit run UI.python. uh, Welcome to a Streamlit. So we just need to be put like any email address here. Okay, this is going to be done here exactly. Now we would like to try to look here. We got it here exactly. Now try to deploy Streamlit like communities Snowflake. Okay, we don't need to be deploy. No LLM models is available. No API keys are locally is provided. Okay. See a provider configurations below for the details. AI-powered dark web OSINT tools. So, okay, no worries. We would like to go back here as a open router. I would like to try to go for as open router. Now, I would like to put like here as dark web. Rate limit is optional. Rest limit is everywhere. I would like to try to create here. So I just try to create here. Now again, I would like to try to quit here as this one. Let me just type here as nano env.example. Okay, so I not yet make this one as list minus al. So I not yet copy this one as env. Copy.env.example to as env. Okay, now just type here as list minus al. Okay, now we have reading this one. Now just type here as run.python. Now if it going to be giving you the right thing, we would like to try to wait for it. So this installation is going to be take a little bit lengthy time process. Yes, we have got it here. Ulama, Gamma 4.3. So we have got it here. Everything, it's configured clearly. So no need to worry here. So we have got it here, everything. So as this Robin, we have got it here. Now you want to search and investigate. Whichever you see in the dark web is totally I would like to tell you it's totally a scam. Don't spend your valuable money over there. Or anything these people they're going to be do or etc things, that's totally a scam. Don't spend your valuable money on that. Okay, I kindly request for you. So you just need to enter something. So what is a dark web? It's going to be a most a thing they're going to do here. Like in the dark web, they're going to do like a counterfeit money as well as weapons as well as what to say drugs and all what else you cannot able to get like some credit cards, debit cards, bank locks, etc things that's going to be look like here. Let's see, you going to be such like what do you want to search in the dark web? Let's we would like to search like you do here. Let's see, you can search like here as mm, uh, hacking. Let's we would like to try to search here. Now this will take first to the query to the Olama router as a gamma 3.4b as parameters, and that going to be get you the results here. That's it. So you can provide any type of query here that going to be take the results and get you here, and the dark web results and any type of forums is available. Like you can put like a hacking forums that's going to be get you here everything. So this will take a little bit lengthy time process to get, because we are running as a locally. So we just need to be wait until get here. So we no have choice because we are going as a free plan and without cost of any money. So even if you have like 8 GB RAM, that's not going to be get good results. But we get good results, but it will take a lengthy time process. That's it here. Now it's going to be get like a refined query. Now we would like to try to look it out here. This one, how this dark web tool is going to be work out here. It's going to be give here as a refined query as etc thing and search the results and filter results. Okay. Then after that you get like a dark web results. You can look like here how a user is going to be give a query and streamlined to a web user interfaces like UI.python in the port like 8501. Okay, and LLM query is refined like with LLM Python and refined like a query that going to be give like OpenAI, otherwise Anthropic Cloud Code, Google Gemini, OpenRouter or Ulama. And after refined query is going to be give to the if that got etc things and return back to here as a Tor proxy network as a 9050 with a healthy monitor. It's going to be give like a Ahima, Omniland, Torgal, Amnesia, Kaiser, Anima. So from these forums, it's going to be getting you all the clearance here. LLM results, it's going to be get you here, and investigation reports is also going to be getting you here. Now it's going to be searching here, gathering like a summaries and filtering like results here. It's going to be get like here as dark forums like xyz.com, sources and links. It's going to be getting you a step-by-step results. It take little bit lengthy time process to get you all the results here, but you're going to be get the right results here. Dark web forums like a general hacking discussions, it's going to be got here. And we are also getting like some other platforms, like let's consider some other dark forums they have blocked with the CIR, FBIR, and more or something else, but still have hiding some other things and auto generate that one and getting all the results here. You can look like here as dark chat org. So there are like league based chat or etc things. There is the forums is blocked everything, but we're still getting here like a dark chat orgs. It's like anonymous chat platforms where you are getting here everything. You can see here you're getting like a lot of things here. So you can try a more things, like you can give like a query like whichever platform you may require, that's going to be cross check entirely in the Tor network and going to be list out all here. But it's take a little bit lengthy thing here. Uh, Pastebin like an elite hackers. So I would like to recommend you don't put all your crypto money over there, because crypto is irreversible. You cannot able to gain back again if you want to get back the money. So it's very hard things. And people also they put like in the dark web like a crypto mixers. So if you put like the money into their mixers, like some stupid peoples, they are going to be doing like a draining a wallet or etc things, like if you try to connect that one as etc things, that going to be drain your wallet. So in the telegram, so please don't trust all those things. Also please verify, try to contact or etc things. Attack categories and artifact details in the context, it's going to be get like investigate. Now it's going to be like a step 3 here. That's it here. So it's going to be get you all the in detail a clear report. That's it. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling. Have a great day.